Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Here's a pretty neat design that anybody could draw, even an early beginner. If you will take a six-sided polygon, hold down your control button and hit P, which is real important in this case. I'm going to my rulers and I'm grabbing some indexing lines and I'm going to go ahead and hit P. And then we need to take the 2-point line. Inside this polygon, there are some nodes right on the edge. But I want to go from that node to the middle node here. Make sure you're on the node, not on the edge. Make sure you're on the node. But you really don't even have to go that far to do this. We do need probably to do them all. Well, let's just do two. Well, let's just do them all because I think it's safer to kind of grasp what's happening. See, I'm on the edge. And there's the node. You need to make sure you're on the node. So I'm going from a point to a node, from a point in the polygon to the node. The indexing lines on those two actually help you get them, but they need to be all on the node. Then we're going to take our virtual segment delete key. We're going to delete the first line in the drawing. So we're going to get that shape. And that's really what I said. You really don't have to draw them all. But I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill this in with the red again. I'm going to get the interactive fill tool and I'm going to go from there to there, but I'm going to use a black on that end. Now it's almost too dark. I can slide my bar up. It's still too dark. So I'm going to bring in another red and put it there. I'm going to put another red there. And I think that's good. Now all you have to do is Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on it and move your center rotation to the center. And then rotate it 60 degrees. And hit enter. Control D. Corel does that sometimes, go 120 degrees, and then Control D, Control D, Control D. And you get that shape. It looks like it's kind of a twisted configuration with some shadows. Real easy to draw. I might even make a second one where I might put a little curve to this. Anyway, I hope that was useful and thank you for watching.